Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
How was sleeping at the beach? Good. How happy he is.
I need a big hug.
Mommy, I like beach now.
You like what? You like the elevator?
Mm-hmm.
You weren't too crazy about it last time we were here, were you? You were so little compared to them. This is so much different. Sage is going from the top floor down to our floor to pee.
This
3 times in a row.
This room is our room.
Everybody's out there. Dave's out there.
Go out on the porch. Go see everyone. Oh, look at the sunrise. Go head out. Look how pretty. Good morning. Oh, geez.
We didn't even tell each other.
You guys forget. Danny, there's been 100 people up and down looking for stuff.
No, there hasn't.
Huh?
Yeah, but
They were here, I was out here 5 o'clock, they had flashlights.
Pizza for breakfast?
Pepperoni rolls.
That's even better.
That's what Dad told me. How you find dolphins?
Well, you hit them.
There's no argument.
Those are birds.
I understand.
You go to water?
I'll tell you what.
Swim in the water?
If this is all the colder it gets, I wake myself
I
up.
tried to keep my mouth shut.
Where are we going?
Down to the beach.
Down to the beach. What are you going to look for?
Down.
So much for breakfast. They want to go out to the beach. We lost Poppy.
You want to leave that seashell? You want to leave it here? So you
Oh,
can find more.
Poppy.
Let's put it right here by Daddy's whiskey, okay?
Okay.
Right by Daddy's whiskey. All right. Now
Okay.
listen, don't put every single one you find in there. You want to take this?
Just the pretty ones.
Just the pretty ones, okay?
You don't, are you going to carry that?
Do not with me.
Whoa, Sage. Good morning, Pool. We found Poppy. You were holding her captive.
That's a big grasshopper. Okay.
The baby's not there.
Let's go.
Watch us coming.
You excited?
And the baby's
Don't stand in your bucket, silly. You were a happy kid. Big difference from our last beach trip. He cried with the sand.
Like that. Well,
Yeah? What does Archer have? What's wrong, Archer man?
He just wants to dig.
Gotcha.
We're going.
That's a cool seashell bag. Look at our poor gate.
In the sand. What are we gonna put?
Wow, that's a cool one, Archer.
Inside.
Danny found the
All
first
it
one
is
of the
the
day.
root.
Oh, that would have been a big one.
This way, buddy.
What did you find? That is a nice one. Yeah. Wow. Oh boy. Is it a sea creature poop?
I don't think so.
Oh, look at that, Pop. Well, then walk around them. What's wrong? There's where all the good stuff is.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to dig it up.
Look at the big seashell beds up there.
What? Wow, look at that. That's a pretty one, Pop. What happened?
Look what I found.
Wow, that's cool. I like that. A seashell. Don't fall.
Oh, we're so close. I'm sinking. You're gonna sink?
Is it quicksand?
I don't think you got enough weight to
No. Oh no! He escaped.
Our size shells.
What'd you find?
Night sharks there.
Let me see.
Wowzers.
That is a nice one. Whoa! We're going on a shell hunt. It's gonna be a good one. Boo! Look at all these shells. Whoa! Oh, Archer, you got some tough feet.
First I thought it was, and I was like, how did this guy go?
That's pretty.
The bottom is turning pink.
Oh, the bottom is turning pink. You found a pink one. Archer! That's a nice one.
More down there?
That is cool. That would have been so cool if it didn't break. You like it?
Did it bake?
Yeah, but that's okay. It's still cool, isn't it? It's a cool picture. Found a sandcastle. Look at that. Don't take their sandcastle apart.
Yes, we can. I'd like to go back there. Chairs and umbrellas.
Yes. Sweet.
Also, I need
Cute. Danny's home. You found 2 teeth.
I did.
5. Oh, excuse me.
There's more coming.
Oh.
He has another pocket.
Whoa.
How's breakfast? Good? Just plain old toast.
He came in, yeah, he's been in.
You like Poppy's doll?
White dog, when I press it down, it works.
Yeah.
You have to be careful.
Beach time.
Yeah, it's a mermaid inside.
What are you guys going to play with first?
I'll play with this. Help you? Can I have another zipper?
I gotta go get my sunglasses.
Well, you said go ahead.
Come here.
Look at Archer. Whoa, he looks like a shark.
I'm going twice about it. Where the heck is Danny?
Woo! Chilly. Did you get water? All right, you going back up?
I'll stay here, Paul.
On the way, big baby
Okay.
coming.
You just wanted some water. Pockets there.
Jump. 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 Whoa. Is that one cold? Thank you, Dave. I got you.
You don't have anything in your pockets, do you? Water. You gotta get a. Oh, you should have your buckets.
That's what I want. What's your grandma?
She's trying to get water in that.
So adorable. See? You're all right. Tide's going out. It's not full low tide. It's beautiful. It's all, I mean, it's October, pretty much. You want to go higher there? Let's jump. Right here, buddy. I'm not going. You don't want to go further in. I'm not forcing them. Okay, we'll go back.
You might want to pick him up. Pick him up. Pick him up.
You don't like it?
Dad was right.
You do like it.
Dave, Dad was right. I could have stood out here and fished.
It's fun.
Oh, there's a big one coming. See it?
Poppy's in the hole. Archie, get in the hole. Go ahead, sit down. Sage, get in the hole. They're all in the hole. What are we digging for?
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Set it down real easy.
You gotta dig. You want me to help you?
About this big.
Archer. Keep digging this hole bigger. We gotta bury Pap Pap.
Come on, Pap Pap. Get in the hole and I'll bury you.
Get in the hole, he'll bury you.
Wow, look at that face.
He's got his angry eyes on.
He's your spud bar.
Get it big enough for me to lay in, and you can put right there.
You are out of your tree.
Cover him up.
You are nuts.
I can't breathe. You want to help Barry Pap out? Aren't you going to help Papa?
Hey, don't bite your tongue off.
Just jump in the pool. Pat it down.
Hey,
All right, buddy, you gotta pat it all down now.
Oh,
Watch. No, don't think. His toes are in there.
Oh, I see his knee. Oh, Daddy just covered it up. Pizza cover of Seashell.
Are you done?
Oh yeah, keep putting those on it.
I see it.
Archer didn't like that.
okay, you're good. Now how's he gonna get out?
I can't get out. I'm stuck.
Really? Proud.
Oh, that's gonna hurt.
I can't get out. What am I gonna do?
So much.
I don't know. Pat it down. Pat it down. Okay? Keep patting that down. It's out. We'll start our sandcastle. Ready? Archer! Hey, not again.
Okay.
I can't get out. What am I gonna do? The water's gonna come in and I'm gonna drown.
Hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it, Sage. Okay, now pick it up. Watch.
No, you ain't dumping water on me.
No, we're
That
not
wasn't
dumping
pouring
water.
in the drink of water. I'm gonna dump water on
It's
you.
all right. You can put 2 in. I'm gonna make more, said Poppy.
Picking a bigger hole.
Don't smash it.
Okay, you help us.
Okay.
Pick it up.
Hit it. Ready?
Archer. How much money was that?
He's working than
Archer!
That's
Amanda,
not
he's
nice,
working.
buddy. Hey!
Archer David. Get up here.
You gotta do it over, buddy.
Do it again, Archer. Do it again.
Do that real big jump. There you go.
Archer.
And found 2 more teeth. the tunnel. You gonna be able to carry that? There, it's in the tunnel.
You're not walking it? With the kids in the beach.
Yes, a lot better than last trip.
You want to go real high? One more time?
Yeah.
Wow, that one was really high.
Crab in there. Somewhere. You want to hold him? Here. There you go. Is that fun? See?
Did you find anything? Oh no, you're sinking! You're sinking!
Put them in, and then you shake it up. You're frozen.
He's sinking. Did you find anything good, Pop?
Showing her out. Say, look what I caught. See him crawling around? Look. See him? Look. Look.
Look at that. Oh, he looks like Hank. Sage, come look at this.
Watch him. See him crawling? See him crawling?
I'm trying to do.
Don't hurt him.
I'm trying to do what Daddy told me to do.
Watch him go under the water.
Yeah.
Ready? Watch. Watch him go. Watch. Ready? Watch this. Watch.
He's gone.
Okay, he'll be back in here. He should be. We'll find him. I think he's in here. Hold on. We'll find him. Don't hurt him. See him?
What'd you find? Oh, sand.
Sand from here. What'd you find? All that. Wow.
Found a white one.
So that's Uncle Tom. This thing.
Here, I'll take it over.
You like this? I gotta sit.
How did the salt water taste? Yucky. Yeah, I know. Your marks. Get set. Go. Go. You did. You're a mermaid.
That's all right. I don't know. Probably.
Jump.
Look at my hand.
Poppy's dancing.
Go, girl.